Looking for a CRM that blends sales tracking with project management and automation? Insightly might be on your radar. But is it the intuitive, all-in-one solution it's billed to be, or a pricey package for what you need? Let's find out. Insightly is a CRM built to support small to medium-sized businesses, combining customer management with workflow automation and project tracking. In this review, we'll talk about its features, the latest pricing tiers, what people love, where it could use improvement, and whether it's the right CRM match for you. Insightly stands out by merging CRM and project-focused tools, contact, lead, and opportunity management, centralized dashboards for deals and relationships, visual sales pipelines, drag-and-drop stages that mirror your sales process, project and task tracking, move seamlessly from opportunity to project planning and execution, workflow automation, automatically assign leads, send notifications, and update records based on triggers, custom reporting and dashboards, build reports, pre-built business insights, and a real-time activity feed, strong app integrations, works with tools like email platforms, ERP systems, and marketing apps via App Connect, mobile access, manage contacts, tasks, and pipelines from iOS or Android, relationship linking, automatically build connected data views, ideal for complex client networks, pricing overview, build annually per user, 14-day free trial available, plus $29 per month, core CRM, project management, advanced reports, dashboards, professional, $49 per month, adds lead routing, workflow automation, custom layouts, enterprise, $99 per month, includes sandboxes, product quote management, audit logs, and advanced customization. What users love: ease of use, intuitive interface and helpful onboarding guide, make setup smooth, flexible customization, create custom fields, dashboards and objects, adapts nicely to varied workflows, automation that matters, powerful task-based automation saves time across sales and project work, mobile friendly, solid mobile app experience, lets you stay productive on the move, integration power, strong app and API connectivity, link your CRM to the tools you already use. Where it falls short: can get pricey fast, costs rise quickly if you need enterprise-level features or multiple users, support costs add up, live or phone support often requires premium plans, while email support can be slow on lower tiers. Learning requires effort. Getting full value from advanced workflows can take time and training. Social tool limitations: social media engagement features aren't as strong unless you build custom integrations. Insightly is a solid choice for businesses that need more than just a CRM, especially if you want project tracking, automation, and deep customization inside one platform. If you're a solopreneur or don't need those extras though, the pricing may feel steep. Insightly becomes powerful when you tap into its CRM plus project automation combo. Just be sure you're maximizing its capabilities for the spend. Found this helpful? Give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what CRM feature do you truly can't live without? Catch you in the next one.